saltwater. A lot of things going on in hydrology in Alaska because of climate change. It's funny that I even put climate here. How in the world is climate modified by climate change? Well, we used to be pretty good at forecasting things like El Nino and La Ninas. Those are aspects of climate variability. Things that happen on a regular, routine basis every three years or so will have an El Nino. And those things used to happen, you know, not quite like clockwork, but you could certainly get a better feel for what was going to happen and do a pretty decent job forecasting those. Now, because of climate change, we have a difficult time making money even off of those things like El Ninos and La Ninas that we used to be able to be pretty confident about. So we're losing confidence in our climate forecast because of changing climate. I'll skip tsunami because there is a possibility in some parts of the world that sea level rise may have an eventual inundation impact from tsunamis, but climate change and tsunamis is kind of a stretch for Alaska. We really aren't seeing sea level rise here in Alaska like they are elsewhere. And then finally, volcanic ash. How in the world would you say is volcanic ash related to climate change? Well, I'll show an episode here from 2003, September 2003, and if you can hopefully see this image, you'll see a cloud going from northwest to southeast on your screen there. And the origin of that cloud is over, you can see clearly, as a volcano. And that's the Katmai volcano that erupted last in 1910, the famous Valley of 10,000 Smokes. Well, you can see on this day in September in 2003, it sure looks like that mountain has erupted because there's an ash cloud coming forth from that mountain and being carried downstream southeastward across Kodiak Island. And we